Hello, in this video I will show you how to add eSIM on Huawei Pura 70 Pro. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then click on mobile network and now click on SIM management. Then here or click on add eSIM and then click allow. And now you have to scan your QR code. And here you have to enter your confirmation code. And now you have to wait for your SIM to download. And as you can see, now my eSIM is activated. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.